Calculating cross-entropy in TensorFlow. I am having a hard time with calculating cross-entropy in TensorFlow. In particular, I am using the function. Using what is seemingly simple code, I can only get it to return a 0. Returns. My understanding of cross-entropy is as follows. Where P(x) is the true probability of event x and Q(x) is the predicted probability of event x. There if input any two numbers for P(x) and Q(x) are used such that there should be a non-zero cross-entropy. I am expecting that I am using TensorFlow incorrectly. Thanks in advance for any help.
Measures the probability error in discrete classification tasks in which the classes are mutually exclusive. Each entry is in exactly one class. For example, each Safar 10 image is labeled with one and only one label. An image can be a dog or a truck, but not both. Note, while the classes are mutually exclusive, their probabilities need not be. All that is required is that each row of labels is a valid probability distribution. If they are not, the computation of the gradient will be incorrect. If using exclusive labels, wherein one and only one class is true at a time, see sparse_softmax_cross_entropy_with_logits. Warning, this op expects unscaled logits, since it performs a softmax on logits internally for efficiency. Do not call this op with the output of softmax, as it will produce incorrect results. Logits and labels must have the same shape, batch_size, number_classes, and the same type, either float 16, float 32, or float 64.
In addition to Don's answer, +1, this answer written by MRY may interest you, as it gives the formula to calculate the cross-entropy in TensorFlow. An alternative way to write would be. However, this alternative would be less numerically stable, since the softmax may compute much larger values, and 2, less efficient, since some redundant computation would happen in the backprop. For real uses, we recommend that you use tf.nn.softmax_cross_entropy_with_logits.
Here is an implementation in TensorFlow 2.0 in case somebody else probably needs it in the future. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.